Hello everybody and welcome back to another action figure review. And today I'm going to take a look at this completely new release. It's probably not even released in most part of the world right now, but I was lucky to get it really fast. I had this one in pre-order and it's the SooSoo Toys Night Vigilante, as it says here, but of course it is Nightwing with the looks of Brenton Thwaites from the Titans TV show. So here is the box on the front. Now let's get the box open and see what's inside. So first up, some instructions here. Nothing on the back side. Shows how to put the batteries in here. If we remove the top layer of the box, we have the figure and the accessories here. So what I'm going to do now is to get the figure out of the box and let's take a closer look at all this stuff. And here we have the figure out of the box. Nightwing with the light up effect, Escrima Sticks here, looking really, really cool. And a quick look at the accessories here. We have the figure stand with the Nightwing logo and the typical SooSoo Toys texture here. We have these accessories for different hands, besides the ones already on the figure. Very nicely sculpted. Then we have a small tool to remove the battery, the two short Escrima sticks, a holder for the sticks, an extra battery, and then a bag here with three very, very tiny Nightwing stars. So that's the accessories. Now already here I must say I'm really happy about the look of this figure. Nightwing has always been one of my favorite characters. I really like how Dick Grayson turns into Robin and then he evolves into Nightwing. And I also like the look of the suit here from the Titans TV show, and this figure really looks just like the counterpart from the TV show. I guess it's the same head sculpt as the previously released Robin figure, also with the likeness of Brenton Thwaites here. But I think it's a great head sculpt, and with the light up effects in the sticks here, I think this is just really cool looking. If we move in closer here, the figure is made of hard plastic body armor and a lot of armor plates all around the body. And underneath here there is a suit that doesn't really hinder any articulation. And the figure is all black with the blue pattern, just like Nightwing should look. And on the back here also some armor pieces, not so much here on the back of the legs. And the mask here is not removable, and there is no unmasked head sculpt, which really doesn't bother me. This head sculpt I think is really spot on. So if we take a closer look at the light up effect, Escrima Sticks here, I think it's a great effect. I can try to turn off some of the light here. As you can see, really effective. And the battery is pretty easy installed, and if you want to turn off the effect, just pull this part of the stick and push it in again, and then we have the effect. Nice work, and you get an extra battery besides the two you have to use here in the sticks. You can, if you want to, put the sticks here in the small holster, and it's magnetized, and you can put it here on the back of the figure. Let's take a look at the articulation, because with a character like Nightwing here, I think we really need some dynamic poses and good articulation, and you have that. Because all these hard armor pieces can be removed, they are all connected with Velcro, so you can push them around if you want to obtain some kind of dynamic articulation. And all over the body here, you have a decent amount of articulation with double bends at the knees and elbows, and you have the important ankle movement, no problems there. So great articulation, except for one joint and that is the head. You can easily turn the head from side to side here, but you can't, and I almost literally mean can't, push forward and back here. A little tiny bit, but you can't make the figure look up or down really, and that is really, really sad. I think it's the only place where I am disappointed with this figure. Other than that, I think it's a great looking and very solid figure. But for now, I think I will leave you with my opinion, and then I'll conclude this review. Who knows if we will ever see these two versions of Nightwing and Batman together on screen. But here we have them side by side, a comparison with the Hot Toys Ben Affleck Batman. To sum up the review, SooSoo Toys have made a great figure, almost all around, with light up effects, great look, and mostly a good articulation too. So I highly recommend to check out the SooSoo Toys Night Vigilante, aka Nightwing. Thanks a lot for watching this review. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.